My name's Richard Lauder. I'm the Business Improvement Director for Dyer Engineering. Who's Dyer Engineering? Well, we're a specialist in machine metal fabrications based in the northeast of England, across a couple of sites. We employ 180 people, have been going for 49 years, and our turnover figures are 17 million. The technology partner that we've been paired with brings automation to our procurement function, mainly around documentation and post-purchase management, so expediting and getting parts in. But its real power is in the AI that sits over the data set and allows natural questions to be asked. You know, when is this part due in? And anyone can ask the system that. It doesn't have to go through a procurement manager or someone who knows the ERP system. The impact of the partnership is still in its early stages. We're still in the pilot that completes the end of March. The overarching ones is going to be a reduction in cost. It's going to be an increase in our OTIF delivery performance, an increase in our working capital because we won't have delays. And there's also the softer issues around people just enjoying their jobs a bit more because they're not having to do boring activities.